Hey, welcome to Object Orientation Basics. So what is an object? What is a class? What is an instance? Well, let's use Lego through this series as an example. This Lego here is an object, or it's an instance. And the mold that made it back in the Lego factory is a class, a template that says how to make these things. And each instance has a couple of things about it. Firstly, it has properties, like this guy is blue and it has 8 studs on it. And it also has methods, right, Breeze, which are functions.
Yeah, so for example, this particular Lego block would have a click method where you click it with something else. So in your Unity, you've used methods and functions already, and you could simply say click with this block, and the function would be click with, and then you would pass in another block. That would be an example of a method on that particular object.
And these are really simple objects, these blocks, but Lego goes all the way up to Mindstorms, and here I have a Mindstorms motor. So if this was a class, it would have a lot more going for it.
You can literally see here that the object has more places where you can plug stuff in. It has more methods, it has more functions on the object itself. This block has only 8 on the front and 8 at the back. This has significantly more, and as well as a bunch of moving parts, for example.
Yeah, and there's a lot you could do with this. So one of its methods would be rotate clockwise by 2 degrees. It would do that. It also has return values. One of its methods would be what angle am I at compared to when I started, to when I was born, when I was instantiated. What angle is this at? So then it would then return a value in degrees. So that is a much more complicated template, and these guys are really simple object templates.
So the 3 key takeaways are: classes are templates that create instances of the instances, and instances are what we call objects. A particular Lego block is an instance of a class, and if you think of class as what you write in your editor as this is the template for the things that are going to be created in my game, you won't go as far wrong.
Absolutely. So your class here could be 6block, for instance. This is Duplo, so it could just be called 6block. And then when you actually instantiate it, you may say 6block.color equals blue, or 6block.setColor, and then you would give it blue. As this guy, when he was instantiated, you might say that that's the same thing. It's still a 6block, but it's red. So there's an example for you. So that's it, really. A class is a set of properties, like number of studs, color, etc., and methods, like click together, like rotate, like read rotation, and those sorts of things. Hopefully that analogy makes it a little bit clearer for you.